Hi, welcome to Raw Math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on parabolas and their graphs and just kind of facts about them. For this one, I have a bunch of questions about these two parabolas, and I want to answer the questions in parallel so we can kind of see what different approaches look like. All right, what point is the vertex? The vertex, this is vertex form, and the number tracked in parentheses with the x is the x value of the vertex, but because they're both on the same side of the equal sign, we need to switch the sign so that we have a positive 3.5. This number out here is the y part of the vertex, and because it's already on opposite sides of that equal sign, the sign is absolutely correct. In the second one, it doesn't look like there's a number trapped in the parentheses with the x, so we use 0 and 1/4. Okay. What is the equation of the axis of symmetry? Well, the axis of symmetry is always the vertical line through the x part of the vertex. So x equals 3.5. X equals 0. Does the parabola open up or down? Well, in this question, a is equal to -3. Because a is less than 0, it opens down. In this one, a is equal to 3/4, which means a is greater than 0, which means it opens up. Does the parabola have a min or a max? It has a max. Does the parabola have a min or max? It has a min. That's why I drew the parabola. It makes questions a lot simpler to answer. Okay. Does the parabola have a shrink or a stretch? Well, a is -3, which means it's going 3 times faster, which means it has a stretch. Here, a is 3/4, which is less than 1, which means this one has a shrink. All right, tricky questions. Let's look at all the rest of it. I'll remind ourselves that the vertex of this one was 3.5, -7.2, and the vertex of this one was 0, 1/4. Okay, does the parabola move left or right? Well, it moves to x equals 3.5, which is right. Does this parabola move left or right? Well, it moves exactly 0 spots. So this is kind of a trick question. It moves neither left nor right. The domain of all generic math world parabolas are all real. There's no restrictions on the numbers you can square. And the range is always bound with the y part of the vertex. Because this vertex opens down, it means that the range goes from -infinity to -7.2, which should be a bracket because we do equal to 7.2. Because this parabola opens up and has a minimum, the range here goes from 1/4 to positive infinity. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks!